I'm going to keep this very brief because I want to tackle a certain issue that a lot of people think that they have, which is getting more leads. But in reality, that's just never the case. And this might be one of the most important videos you watch because this is actually going to set the foundation as to creating consistent scale. So there's a bunch of these agencies, a bunch of gurus, whatever, promising it's like, oh, here we got the new method of getting leads, or here you got to start a personal brand. There's so many people getting into this space showing you these different ways of getting leads. But the problem is, like, I've worked with so many 7, 8 figure business owners. I've seen the back end. They think the same way, where it's like, oh, we just need more leads. But the reality is they don't need more, they just need better. So I'm about to show you something that honestly has made like a ton of money for my clients. And it's probably going to be able to make a lot of money for you. But it's this very simple framework right here. So on the front end, you have your ads, like a setting process, and then the call. In between here, you can throw in like the funnel, whatever else. But the very basic method here is that this is where most of the revenue is built. This is why so many business owners are focusing on just this front section, because all they care about is getting the highest revenue possible. I've met business owners, and I've known business owners where there are freelancers or even like potentially virtual assistants that are doing better than they are in terms of profit, because these business owners are so concerned with maximizing the front, throwing everything they can on the front end, that they spend so much money that they have nothing left over on the back. So what do? Well, first things first, on the front, a lot of people actually go wrong in the set stage right here. Sure, they get really good at running ads and generating a bunch of leads from it, but they miss out on the setting position. They might be getting good results, but what's the point of driving all of these leads if they can't book them on a call? There's two frameworks right now, or two metrics that you should be measuring and optimizing for instead of just leads in. Chances are you don't have a lead problem. You have a problem with the conversion, or you have a problem with retention. Conversion, first of all, if a lead comes through and they do not book a call and do not close, what's the point of driving more leads if that's not the case? Second of all, if a lead comes in and then they bounce just as fast as they came in, again, what's the point of throwing all of your energy pushing more leads in if all of them are just going to funnel out on the back? So this is what you do. Instead of letting the setting process dip, what we've started doing with our clients is implementing what we call as an AI conversion specialist. Basically, this is a conversational AI that we build out for them that literally reaches out to leads within the first 1 to 3 minutes of them opting in. And then it starts the conversation, because what happens when a lead opts in or a lead comes through the front through ads? They're at the highest level of intent possible, and you want to be able to capitalize on that energy for them. So by doing that, you have a conversation with them right away. You start guiding them through the process instead of getting them to opt in. And then they're just like, okay, well, I don't know what's going to happen anymore. And then they move on to the competitor. They move on to the next ad. They move on to the next post. You want to capture their attention. You want to retain it. The way you do this is with an AI conversion specialist that starts the conversation and keeps the conversation going so that they can't get distracted by other mediums. The best part is this AI conversational bot literally operates at a fraction of the cost of a setter. There's no days off, no sick days, no demands for higher base pay or higher commissions. Like, it literally operates 24/7, whether you're awake, whether you're asleep, for you, and it just books leads into your calendar for you. So that's kind of the number one metric where I see a lot of business owners go wrong, is that they're funneling all these leads, but they don't hold on to them. They literally get lost. So that's the retention piece. You don't need more leads. You just need to get better at retaining the current leads that you are generating. That way you can start stacking on the cash that you're collecting on the back. Now, the reason I have call here in the middle is because this is kind of like the middle point between front end and back end. The reason being is because the call, it can turn into a close, and then that's cool, but sometimes it doesn't. Most times, actually, it doesn't. If even the best closer, 70% of the calls that they take are not going to be clients. So what do? Well, like most business owners, what they're going to do is actually take the money that they just collected from the client, the 30% of clients that they did close. They're going to funnel as much of it back into the ads just to push it through the faulty system again. Well, let's say we fix the setting problem, and now instead of your setters booking anywhere between 30% to 50% of leads into calls, 50% being on a good day, let's say 60, 70, or even 80% of your leads start getting booked in, because those are the typical numbers you can see with an AI conversion specialist. Sweet, you're now booking a lot more calls, but that doesn't fix the issue. Cool, you might have fixed the retention issue. You need to now convert them. In order to do both, you need to implement the backend. The reason I black this out is because most business owners don't even have this, which is why most of them are operating off of revenue, not even profit. They're running these multi-hundred or multi-seven-figure businesses, earning hundreds of thousands of dollars a month, but maybe profiting like $10,000, $20,000 a month. How do we fix this? You get rid of this block and you start having some kind of follow-up system. Again, the best part is the AI conversion specialist does all of this for you. It does the follow-up, it does the emails, it does the SMS. Community doesn't do that yet, but these are the different methods that you can generate extra cash. Like literally us implementing this is what has generated our clients over $10 million in revenue. Just that alone. There's so much money that clients are sitting, or I should repeat that. So there's so much wasted opportunity that people are sitting on top of that they don't even know of. Like people are sitting on a gold mine and they don't even realize because they don't have the back-end system set up where most of the profit comes in. So if you haven't heard of the 97-3 rule, 97% of the people that are going to come through your funnels are not going to convert. 3% are. This is why most business owners are focused on this because they want the instant gratification of closing these people and being like, oh, I run a $100,000 a month business. But how much are you profiting? Maybe $50,000, maybe $20,000. A lot of business owners won't admit this, but it's the truth. In order to fix this problem and to create longevity and sustainable scale, because imagine this, like it's so exhausting to have to restart at the beginning of every single month, pour just as much money into ads, if not more, just to get as many calls, just to beat the last month, only to repeat it the month after. What if you could walk into every single month knowing you have cash waiting for you to be collected, knowing your clients are going to be re-upping, and that you have recurring revenue happening every single month? This is it. The way you do this is you set up a backend, you set up some kind of follow-up system. A lot of closers, a lot of setters will just kind of give up after the first couple of follow-ups. This is why you have an automated system that follows up with clients until they either convert or they tell you just fuck off. So this is what we set up. Set up some kind of follow-up system, set up an email, set up SMS. You can even have a community on the back end where if people don't close, cool, that's fine. Go into our community and then get pre-sold there. This is part of the sticky ecosystem that we build out for clients. This is where all the profit is made. Why? Because for most business owners, they're liquidating on their ad spend here. They're monetizing the 3% of leads that are coming in. They're liquidating the ad spend, but then they're forgetting about the 97% of leads that end up here. This is why business owners are operating at such a low margin and they're so stressed out and burnt out because they have a lot of costs to pay for the next month. Whereas if they had this system built out, that's, again, one of our clients generated $1.1 million over the course of like 16 months, or another of our clients generated over $2.1 million off a list of just dead leads over the course of a year. That's extra cash flow that you can use to spend time, go on vacation, spend time with your family, to just enjoy life, or to just reinvest in your business and actually set up these systems in place. So this is why I write that profit is here, is because while you're liquidating ad spend and paying for team costs and everything here, just off the small amount of people that are converting on the front end, this is where the real money is made. And this is where scale happens. So a lot of business owners, again, will hit a plateau. They'll hit a certain ceiling where they just cannot grow more. And that's because they're just focused on driving more leads in. But again, like I said at the beginning of the video, that is not the problem. The problem isn't that you need more leads. You need to do a better job of converting them and retaining them. So this is how you do it. This is how you build out the retention system that gets leads coming in, sticking with you, getting pre-sold during the process, and then closing on the back end. This is the entire system. I know this is super rudimentary, super basic. I doubt that many people are actually going to watch this and actually implement it because we're human beings. We're all optimized for instant gratification. We want to, boost our egos and make it look like our business is so good by high revenue numbers. But if you actually care about playing the game for a long term and you actually care about scaling your business sustainably to the point where you're not burning out and avoiding your family unintentionally because you're just being called to put out fires in your business all the time, then this is the way you want to set it up. Again, the AI conversion specialist that I just talked about is just one of the 4 methods that we use to create this sort of infrastructure for businesses. So I'm just urging you, fix this. Don't just focus on the front end because you're just optimizing for revenue. That all goes back into the business. Very little of it goes to you. Instead, focus on actually creating businesses that allow you to have a leaner team, that allow you to have lower overhead, and that allow you to just not spend so much time training, firing, or managing people in general. Again, this is why we set up AI systems inside of our clients' businesses, because it complements all of that. There are dozens of business owners out there that are operating with such small margins that they're struggling to grow. But if you can operate at a higher margin, that's what gives you the competitive edge to bolt on certain systems into your business, to hire actually like valuable team members that can help you scale further. So don't just focus on the rev, focus on the profit, build out the backend system. To give you just a quick brief, like literally out of our 5-pillar system, pillar 0 is us turning dead leads into paying clients, because again, most people don't have this system built out. So they have a database of like hundreds of thousands, well, hundreds or thousands, or sometimes hundreds of thousands of people that are just sitting there collecting dust. This is how, again, one of our clients generated $2.1 million off a list of dead leads in a year, because we set up these types of systems. We bolted on profit onto their business that they're able to reinvest. That's pillar 0. Pillar 1 is the AI conversion specialist, because if you can turn more of the leads that are coming in into calls, you're already fixing the conversion and the retention issue. But that's just part of the equation. Pillar 2 then comes in the sticky ecosystem. Cool, drive high intent leads on the front end, but then pre-sell them along the way. That's the key. You want to hold on to these leads as fast or as long as possible, because again, if you can't convert these leads, or you can't even hold on to them in the first place, why would you ever drive more leads into your business? Because you're just going to be pouring water into a bucket with a bunch of holes in it. Doesn't matter how much water you're going to pour into it, you're going to be losing more than you get. And then pillar 3 is the conversion moats. The best part about the conversion moats is you own this asset. Again, this is part of this system right here, is instead of relying on Facebook or Instagram to generate leads and to actually scale your business, what happens if you get shut down? What happens if your ads get shut down or they get blocked? You're kind of screwed. Whereas if you have the conversion moats, these are pockets of pre-sold leads that you can tap into at any given point whenever you need a boost in cash or sales, or cash or calls, I should say. So that's why we implement the things that we do. Those are the pillars. The last pillar is really just like kind of like leverage consulting. And what we do is like we help consult on beyond just like the marketing side. There's sales processes, AI custom builds, like all this sort of fun stuff. But pillars 0 to 3, so sales alchemy, turning dead leads into new sales opportunities, AI conversion specialist, the sticky ecosystem, and the conversion moats all fix the problem of conversion, converting those leads that are coming in, and then retaining those leads that are coming in. That way you can create sustainable growth and sustainable scale. That's when you can start pouring more leads into your business, because that effectively is going to be pouring fuel on the fire instead of pouring water on the fire. So just food for thought here. Implement this. If you have any questions, just reach out to me. I'm on Instagram. I'm on Facebook. Dan Begniak. If you want to work with me and my team on this, then I'm going to leave a link down below for you to book a call with me so that we can actually map this out for you and see if it even makes sense math-wise. Like, we'll run through your KPIs, we'll run through your numbers, see if this actually helps you. But even if we don't work together, like, please just implement this, because I hate seeing business owners and coaching businesses and just home service-based businesses, any businesses, go out of business because they're building the wrong way, because they're focusing on the wrong thing. So I'll talk to you soon.